We appreciate your return visit to the CoinSaris channel. Whoa! Today saw a 20% spike in the value of XRP. If you've listened to my channel, especially in the last few weeks, you won't be surprised by this. Every single analyst, as far as I can tell, has come to the same conclusion. XRP is going to initiate a price discovery campaign, if not instantly achieve a new record high. This does not work in that manner. As of right now, we are not aware of any historical precedent for this. But before you can start to soar, I've been in this market for around 6 years, as I've mentioned previously, and I've never sold any XRP. Before I can accomplish that, enterprise discovery must be finished. Throughout the nearly 6 years that I have been closely monitoring the events surrounding XRP and its community, I have seen that there have been very few instances in which every objective XRP analyst has come to the same conclusion. Yes, XRP is about to depart. I can't help but think back to what happened in late October or early November 2020, when XRP was trading at about 20 cents, and it seemed like it had happened a week or two earlier when it suddenly soared to over 80 cents. Remember the exact time frame. Conversely, though, before then, I could almost feel the time passing. People, they all seem to be saying that this will end, which is odd for them to agree on at the present. Bull markets devoured it. It's the same here. What have all of you been saying about the last 2 weeks being consumed by bull markets? We have this in spite of the fact that every objective expert, whether they Bitcoin maxi tortoises or XRP haters, has always predicted its destruction. Since this really shouldn't have come as a surprise, allow me to share the thoughts of a few analysts with you. But one analyst in particular predicts that XRP will dominate the market by 22%. I believe it was at 32% the last time I looked. So who knows? Consequently, if it rises from 32% to about 22%, whoa, that's when Lamborghini season arrives. Fortune-changing moon phases will start at that point. I wholeheartedly concur with you. I don't come from a wealthy family or anything. Just to be clear, money is not a factor in my advice. And believe me when I say that nothing I say should be used as the basis for any investing decisions. I like to make funny films about Bitcoin on YouTube as a pastime. I'm merely a hobbyist. Furthermore, for the purpose of amusement, check out the CoinDesk's news article. This happened earlier today. The value of Ripple rises by 20%. People start to notice Nance's odd transactions as the cryptocurrency surge hits fresh lows. Everyone pay attention. They are trying to connect it to specific important transactions. That's a 20% rise. Ha! And there's this mysterious thing. No! Allow me to tell you something else. Regarding sheer volume, a plethora of significant transactions take place every day. On social media platforms X and J, accounts such as Whale Alert record a few anomalies on what appears like a daily basis. This isn't your average news story. Rather, something fascinating happens as a result of the movement being produced by actual, organic market forces. Subsequently, the current events could be spun as news to support the CoinDesk's decisions. Furthermore, XRP has a long history of hostility, and they're currently trying to utilize that as a rallying cry for people to reject it. It has no meaning at all. This is what 360 Traders chart analyst has to say. This is a pricing chart for XRP. He asserts that the starting date for XRP is 86 cents. For the record, I'm going to present you the thoughts of a variety of analysts in this video, some of whom have been requesting this for months. It's not just about XRP, so it has to be organic the next time you see a headline like this one from Currency Desk, or maybe, more appropriately, FUD Desk, saying that Nance has moved something mysterious? That's the main point it makes. This isn't organic. Even yet it is. People have been asking for this for months. You may read a funny piece on cryptocurrency that some chart experts wrote here. A few friends and family members stated last week that they wanted to sell their XRP and give up. I wanted to let you know about this. That was the signal. And he shared a little rocket emoji thereafter. You are entirely correct. I was ready to make a similar comment about how ridiculous it is that there is this one major XRP influencer who has been well featured in the crypto press and who is essentially pleading with Ripple execs like Brad Garlinghouse to do whatever it takes to keep the price of XRP high. They are unable to accomplish that. Anyhow, Since Ripple is powerless to alter the market's inherent ups and downs, the cryptocurrency market as a whole is vulnerable to erratic swings. Over the previous 10 years, the corporation has essentially had nothing but positive news to report about its developments. The market doesn't care, but I do, and perhaps you do too. My concern is that actual objects should be constructed on the XRP ledger, regarding the significant alterations. However, it all comes down to following green candles and fostering a Styrian fear of losing out. Yes, I understand. That, I think, is all. The foundation is where there are people who genuinely care. That's the reason XRP has remained one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization for the greater part of a decade. But the majority of people know absolutely nothing about the topic. Do they know what a green coin is if its candle is lit? That's what happened today because to FOMO, or the fear of missing out. Yes, exactly. When you see these people in such agony, it can't get any worse. Brad Garland, are you out and about somewhere? Did you happen to run in? Yes, dear. Yes, yes. I knew anything my Nana did. Right now, when that happens, around these times, XRP starts to rise to previously unheard of levels. That is exactly how it happens. This is the reason I have highlighted these analyst remarks about the XRP/BTC pair from 2014 through 2020 and even into 2021. Yes, exactly. In the darkest moment. Next, focus on the bright side of things because you will soon be the center of attention. I apologize, but XRP, you are terribly underutilized. As such, the players in the market, of whom I am one, are not unduly sentimental. Furthermore, when people notice a difference and conclude, hey, this thing looks undervalued, they will start making an investment. When the market starts to improve, others who are too afraid to take independent action will start to follow suit, thinking that the market is starting to climb. I appreciate you posting it, and since I'm a complete dumbass, I'm going to invest my money now that I feel validated. That, in my opinion, is the main notion. These are actions taken by people. People behave in this manner. It seems ridiculous to me, but I'm counting on people to keep acting in this ridiculous way. It's a part of my overall financial strategy. Thank you so much for your time. Please remember to use the like button if you enjoyed and found the post to be informative. Gracias mucho. Depart.